Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to use and how to customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So I'd like to start with the fastest way to actually enable this option, and then I'll show you how to customize it. So let's start with unrolling the top bar, and here we have to find the proper icon icon. All we have to do is to tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode because it will be simply comfortable for your eyes. Of course, you can turn it off the same way and the screen will get back to its normal state. And basically, if you want to have quite fast access to options connected with the icon, simply tap on this icon and hold it, and your device should transfer you to proper section. But I'd like to show you a full path of how to get to those options. So if for some reason this option won't work, then you will still be able to find it. So let's enter the settings, and now we have to find the display and brightness. Let's tap on it, and here we have to find the icon option. Let's first of all tap on this switcher, so we will turn it on, and then to open more options we have to tap directly on the icon. As you can see here, we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can change the intensity of that feature by going to the left. Hello, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. It's almost orangish right now. Of course, set it just like you want to, just pick the option which is most comfortable for you. Here we've got the custom schedule option, so basically you can keep it turned off, so it means that you will have to manually turn on and off this option. This mode, of course. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based. And here we've got custom schedule, which simply means that we can pick the start time and the end time, of course, too, and your device will simply apply the mode between the start and the end time. It's up to you, of course, which option you want to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.